So in this tutorial I will explain you how to get an advanced rig in just a few minutes. So the first thing you want to do is go to this page. The link to this page will be in the description. You can press on code and download a zip. So once you've downloaded the add-on, you're going to start a Blender and go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons and press Install. And you'll navigate to where you've placed the add-on. You're going to press on it and install add-on. You're going to search for it, for Fortnite, and it probably will be disabled for you, but enable it. And if autosave preferences is not enabled, click on Save Preferences. Before we can add a rig, we need an armature, so I'm gonna add a skin. Keep in mind that this add-on is made for characters that have reorientated bones, which you can enable in the PSK importer add-on. The link to that add-on will also be in the description. So once you've added your character, you're going to press N or click on the arrow here to open up the side panel, and you're going to this tab which says rig. So the top thing here says name, and you're gonna copy the name of the modifier and paste it in there. So whatever name here is, it's going to add the rig. So for this tutorial I will add an arms, legs and feet rig, and I'm simply gonna press add rig. Since I added also the feet, I need to do a tiny bit of bone placement. For the control pivot toe bone, the control heel, the mechanical out and the mechanical in bones. These are two bones on top of each other. So these bones, or actually the head of these bones, will function as a pivot for when you want to rotate the foot. So I'm gonna place this a bit more to here, and also maybe a bit more to the left. The heel bone a bit more to the back, and on the x-axis it's positioned quite nicely already. I'm gonna select the head and the tail of these two bones and move them a bit to the left, and this one a bit more to the right. So these you should position on the side of the foot, so the inner side and outer side, because they will function as the pivot of the banking. And once it's positioned correctly, you're going to unfold this finish sub panel and you're going to press finish foot rig, and this will generate the rig. Under the bone layers you can select which layers you want to view, and now everything is set up perfectly, just how you want. Address all these advanced functions. One thing I did add for the rig is under switches, you can switch between IK and FK. So this is for the left leg, the left arm, the right arm and the right leg. So if you moved, for example, already the foot and you're like, nah, I don't really want to use it, I prefer FK, you're gonna switch it, and now the FK, I was not meant to do that. And now the FK is what controls the mesh. I hope it's clear now how to use this add-on I made. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me on Twitter or Discord. The links will be in the description.